Now we start the remaining problems in exercise 13.5, problem number 9 here. On multiple choice examination with 3 possible answers for each of the 5 questions. Here 5 questions is there. Each of the question contains 3 options. 3 options is there, multiple choice questions. In that one will be correct. What is the probability that a candidate would get 4 or more correct answers just by guessing? 4 or more correct answers just by guessing the answer. So your solution, let general what will write, let x denotes the, here also same, x denotes the number of correct answers. Number of correct answers. Success is getting correct answer or choosing correct answer. So now success is getting the correct answer. The probability of success is small p. Small p. Here how many options is there? Total outcomes is 3 is there. In that 1 only correct. So 1 by 3 is the probability of success. 3 options is there. 1 option is right. So 1 option is correct. That means 1 by 3 probability. Next, probability of failure is q. 1 minus p is 1 minus 1 by 3, that is 2 by 3. Therefore, x as binomial distribution with p is 1 by 3, q is 2 by 3 and n is number of questions here. Number of questions is 5 is there. So n equal to 5. So now I'll write the probability of x equal to x formula NCR NCX q power n minus x p power x, that is 5cx q is 2 by 3 power n minus x. N is how much? N is 5. So 5 minus x 1 by 3 power x. Just value substitution I am making there. Now more any simplification, this is different, we can't make any simplification there. So now what is the question? Probability of 4 or more correct answers. 4 or more correct answers means greater than or equal to 4. 4 or more than 4, greater than or equal to 4. So what are the possibilities? X equal to 4 possible is there, x equal to 5 answers also correct options, correct answers. Up to here 5 is there, so only 5, up to 5 we have to write here. So now 5c4 x place we have to substitute 4, here you substitute 2 by 3 5 power 5 minus x 1 by 3 power 4 plus 5c5 2 by 3 power 5 minus 5 1 by 3 power 5. So just a substitution. Next 5c4 answer is 5c4 5 factorial by 5 minus 4 factorial into 4 factorial. That answer will be 5. If you have any doubt, you make the simplification that one. 2 by 3 power 1 you will get, no need to write 1. 1 by 3 power 4, like this I am writing inside, plus 5c5 value is 1, NCN value is 1, so 5c5 value also 1. Next here this value is also 1, 5 minus 5, some number power 0 is there, that value should be equal to 1. Next, 1 by 3 power 5. You observe here LCM 3 into 3 power 4, 3 power 5. Here also 3 power 5. So 3 power 5 is the LCM. 5 2s are 10 plus 1, that is 11 by 5 power 3 power 5. 3 into 3 is 9, 9 9s are 81, 81 into 3. 243 is the 3 power 5. 3 power 5 value is 243. So the required probability P of x is greater than or equal to 4 is 11 by 43. 4 correct options or 5 correct answers is 11 by 243. So pause the video to note it down. Next, problem number 10. Important 5 marks question this is. A person buys a lottery ticket in 50 lotteries. 50 lotteries is buying one lottery ticket, in each of which is chance of winning prize is 1 by 100. What is the probability that will win a prize at least once, exactly once, at least twice? So here, what is the success? Winning a prize is the success. So solution here, let x denotes number of times winning prize. Success is winning prize. So here probability of success is small p. How much they given? Winning prize success, winning prize probability is 1 by 100. Probability of failure is q. 1 minus p. 1 minus 1 by 100 is 99 by 100. 99 by 100 is the q value. Therefore, x as binomial distribution with p is 1 by 100, q is 99 by 100, and n value, here n value 50 lotteries is there, 50 trials. So 50, n value is 50. So now we'll write the P of x equal to x formula NCX q power n minus x p power x. N is 50 cx, q is 99 by 100 power 50 minus x, 1 by 100 power x. 1 by 100 power x. So now questions you observe here, at least once, probability of at least once. At least means already we know greater than or equal to 1. Greater than or equal to 1 means 1, 2, 3 up to so on 50. N is 50. Up to 50 we can't write totally. Sum of all probabilities equal to 1 concept I am using. So minus probability of x equal to 1. Probability of x equal to 1 if you are removing. Probability of x equal to 1 we have to remove here. Sorry, probability of x equal to 0. Extra value only. 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus up to so on 49 equal to 1. So only one value how to send that side. That is x equal to 0. Here you substitute 1 minus 50C0. 50C0. 99 by 100 power 50 minus 50. 1 by 100. 1 by 100 power 0. 50C0 value is 1 and this value is remaining 99 by 100 power 50. So this is the required probability, at least once. At least once means other than 1 what is there? Other than 1 x equal to 0. 1 minus x equal to 0 making means remaining 1, 2, 3 so on up to remaining total terms. So B question, exactly once. Probability of x equal to 1. So equal to 1, just 50C1 99 by 100 power 50 minus 1 1 by 100 power 1 1 by 100 power 1. So now make the simplification here. Total simplification we have to make here into 99 by 100 power 49 1 by 100. If you make the cancellation 2 the 1 by 2 into 99 by 100 power 49. So this is the exactly once probability. Next, probability of x is at least twice. At least twice. Least means greater than or equals. So here other than 2 more remaining lesser values remove from 1, direct answer you will get p of x equal to 0 plus, this is the bracket, p of x equal to 1. So now here you make the simplification. 1 minus 50C0 99 by 100 power 50 minus 0 1 by 100 power 0 plus here 50C1 already just we discussed here, that only will get it. Otherwise write down 50C1 99 by 100 power 50 minus 49 1 by 100 power 1, so whole bracket. 1 minus, here simplification is important here, 99 by 100 power 50, 99 by 100 power here just here 1. So first I will write 99 by 100 power 50 plus 50C1 value is 50, 99 by 100 power 49 1 by 100. So common value is 99 by 100 power 49. So remaining 99 by 100 plus 50 by 100, that is equal to 1 minus 99 by 100 power 49. Here 149 by 100, 149 by 100. That is a at least twice probability. At least twice probability. Simplification also easy. No need to do total decimal points. Just you have to substitute and simplify. Common values is there. Common you take. This is important 5 marks question. So pause the video to note it down. Now problem number 11. Find the probability of getting 5 exactly twice in 7 throws of die. So here simple problem, this is solution. Let x denotes number of times getting 5. Success is getting 5 is the success. So probability of success is small p 1 by 6. 5 getting chances. Out of 1 time throwing a die, 5 getting 1 chance is there. So 1 by 6. Failure. Probability of failure Q is equal to 1 minus P, 1 minus 1 by 6, 5 by 6. Otherwise, direct also you can write it. Failure means not getting 5. Not getting 5 chances. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Total 5 chances. So 5 by 6 also we can write. Therefore, X has a binomial distribution with P is equal to 1 by 6, Q is equal to 5 by 6, and N equal to how many number of times here trial making? 7 number of times. So 7 is the N value. Therefore, P of X equal to X, NCX, Q power N minus X, P power X. So substitute here, P of X equal to X, N is 7CX, Q is 5 by 6 power 7 minus X, P is 1 by 6 power X. So question is exactly twice. Exactly twice means therefore probability of X equal to 2 is 7C2 5 by 6 power 7 minus 2 1 by 6 power 2. So 7C2 here simplification you have to make properly. 7 factorial divided by 7 minus 2 factorial. 7 minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial. 5 by 6 power 5. 1 by 6 square. 1 by 6 square. Here 7 into 6 into 5 factorial divided by 5 factorial into 2 into 1. 5 factorial cancel. 2 1s are 2 3s are cancel. 5 by 6 power 5. 1 by 36. 1 by 36. So here simplification 3 1s are 3 12s are 3 1s are 3 12s are. So required probability is 7 by 12 5 by 6 power 5 as it is I am keeping. So probability of exactly 2 times getting 5 when 7 times throwing a die. So this is the way of finding the problems. So pause the video to note it out. Next, problem number 12. Find the probability of throwing at most 2 sixes. At most 2 sixes in 6 throws of a single die. How many times they are throwing? 6 times they are throwing. So n equal to 6. And the probability of which one is asking? 6 getting. So 6 getting is the success. Previous problem 5 getting is the success. Here this problem is 6 getting is the success. So solution, let X denotes number of times getting 6. Getting 6. Success is getting 6. So probability of success is small p, 1 by 6 chances when throwing a single die here. Single die is there, 1 by 6 chances. So probability of failure Q is equal to 1 minus P, that is 1 minus 1 by 6, 5 by 6. Therefore, X has a binomial distribution. X has binomial distribution with P equal to 1 by 6, Q equal to 5 by 6, and N is number of times, 6 throws here. 6 throws is there. So, N equal to 6 you will get. Therefore, probability of X equal to X, NCX, P power, first we will write always Q only, Q power N minus X, P power X, P power X. So, substitute here remaining all values here, 6CX, 5 by 6 power 6 minus X, 1 by 6 power X. So question is here, Probability of x is at most twice, at most 2. At most is asking means less than or equal to 2. So less than or equal to 2 means what you'll get? X equal to 0 plus x equal to 1 plus x equal to 2. So take the substitutions here. X equal to 0 substitute. 6c0, 5 by 6 power 6 minus 0, 1 by 6 power 0 plus 6c1, 5 by 6 power 6 minus 1, 1 by 6 power 1, 6c2, 5 by 6 power 6 minus 2, 1 by 6 square, 1 by 6 square. So now 6c0 value is 1, 5 by 6 power 6, 1 by 6 power 0 is 1 plus 6c1 value is 6, 5 by 6 power 5, 1 by 6 plus 6c2 value is 15. If you have any doubt, NCR formula apply. 15 you will get 5 by 6 power 4, 1 by 6 square, 1 by 6 square. So now if you make the common, what is the common value? 5 by 6 power 4 is the common value for total. So remaining values is 5 by 6 square plus 6 into 5 by 6 into 1 by 6 plus 15 into 1 by 6 square. So common values 5 by 6 power 4 common taking, remaining values I wrote here. So next more simplification you make here. Power 4. Here you observe 6 square 36, 36, 36. Whole LCM is 36 you will get. Here 5 square is 25 plus 6 5s are 30 plus 15 1s are 15. 5 by 6 power 4 by 36 whole power, how much you will get this one? 10, 40, 70. So 70 by 36. 70 by 36 is the required answer. More cancellation, 2 35s are 2 18s. So 5 by 6 power 4 into 35 by 18 is the at most 2 times getting 6. When 6 times throwing a die, single die. So this is the way of finding the problem. Pause the video to note it down. Now problem number 13 in exercise 13.5. It is known that 10% of certain articles manufactured are defective. 10% are defective. What is the probability that in a random sample of 12 such articles, 9 are defects? Here n is equal to 12 articles. 12 articles, 9 are defective probability is asking. So simple problem this one. First of all write down the, let x denotes number of defective items. Defective items. What is the success? Success is selecting defective item. Therefore, probability of success is small p. How much they given? Defective item 10% they given. So 10% is nothing but 10 by 100. 1 by 10. Probability of failure Q is 1 minus P, 1 minus 1 by 10 is 9 by 10. Therefore, X as binomial distribution with P is equal to 1 by 10, Q is equal to 9 by 10 and N is equal to 12 number of times, number of here random samples of 12. 12 is there, so n equal to 12. Therefore, probability of x equal to x, ncx q power n minus x p power x is equal to n. What is the n value? 12cx 9 by 10 power 12 minus x 1 by 10 power x. What is the question here? 9 are defective, exactly 9. So 12c9, 9 by 10 power 12 minus 9, 1 by 10 power 9. 1 by 10 power 9. That is equal to 12 factorial by 12 minus 9 factorial into 9 factorial, 9 by 10 whole cube, 1 by 10 power 9. So now make the simplification here. 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 factorial only I am writing. Why? Because denominator is there. Cancellation you will get. Here this value is 3 factorial. 3 into 2 into 1 into 9 factorial. So 9 factorial get cancelled. Here 9 cube by 10 cube into 1 by 10 power 9. So here you observe 10 ones are 1 10 cancel, square you will get. Next one 2 6 ja 6 2 ja. So 22 by 22 you will get, remaining 22 into 9 cube by 10 power 2 plus 1, bases are equal, power should be added, 9 plus 2 is 11, 22 9 cube by 10 power 11 is the required probability. What is the required probability? 9 are, exactly 9 are defective bulbs out of 12 bulbs is 22 into 9 cube by 10 power 11. So pause the video to note it down. Next, problem number 14 in exercise 13.5. This is a multiple choice question. In a box contain 100 bulbs, 10 are defective. The probability that out of a sample of 5 bulbs, none is defective. Probability is asking. So solution, this is also simple problem. Let x denotes number of bulbs defective. The number of bulbs defective. Success is selecting defective bulb. Selecting defective bulb. So probability of success is small p. 10 are defective out of 100 bulbs. So cancellation 1 by 10 you will get. Next, probability of failure Q is 1 minus P. 1 minus 1 by 10 is 9 by 10. 9 by 10 is the failure probability. Next, therefore, X as binomial distribution with P is equal to 1 by 10, Q is equal to 9 by 10. And here very important thing is n value. Lot of members will take 10 is the 100 is the n value. But here sample of 5 bulbs. From 5 bulbs only is asking. 5 trials here. So n is equal to 5. Therefore P of x is equal to x, n c x, q power n minus x, p power x. That is nothing but 5cx 9 by 10 power 5 minus x 1 by 10 power x. Question is, none is defective. None is defective means number of defective bulbs is 0. So 5C0, 9 by 10 power 5 minus 0, 1 by 10 power 0, x value is 0. 5C0 value is 1, 9 by 10 power 5, 1, this value also 1, anything power 0 is 1. So answer 9 by 10 power 5 is the required probability. None is defective bulb out of 5 bulbs. So option is here C, 9 by 10 power 5. So option is C. Pause the video to note it down. Next problem 15 in exercise. This is also multiple choice question, but this is important question. And this one different. You have to understand question properly here. The probability that a student is not a swimmer is 1 by 5. Then the probability of out of 5 students, 4 are swimmers. Here not a swimmer they given, but asking question is swimmer question. So here concentrate, failure probability they given. Failure probability is 1 by 5. Success probability we have to find here. So always they'll give success probability, failure probability we did. But this problem, failure probability they given, you have to find the success probability. So your solution is, let x denotes number of swimmers, success is selecting swimmer, probability of success is small p, we don't know, but probability of failure, that is probability of not swimmer, one by 5 they given. 1 by 5 they given. So here q is equal to 1 minus p, we wrote p is equal to 1 minus q. 1 minus 1 by 5 is 4 by 5. So like this. This is the only different here. Q is 1 by 5, P is 5 by 4 by 5. Actually what you'll write, P is 1 by 5, Q is 4 by 5. That is wrong. So P is 4 by 5, Q is 1 by 5. This is only change here. Therefore X has binomial distribution with P is equal to 4 by 5, Q is equal to 1 by 5, and N is equal to number of times. Out of 5 students, 4 students are swimmer out of 5 students. So N equal to 5. So probability of X equal to X, NCX, Q power N minus X, P power X. Substitute here 5CX, Q is 1 by 5 power N minus X, N is 5, 4 by 5 by X. Here question is 4 students are swimmers. So exactly 4. 5C4, 1 by 5 power 5 minus 4, 4 by 5 power 4. 5C4, 1 by 5 you will get. 5 minus 4 is 1, 1 by 5. 4 by 5 power 4, 4 by 5 power 4. Here you observe option A is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. So by this problem we successfully complete the total chapter of probability, and this is the last exercise. 13.5 is the important for 5 marks question. So pause the video to note it down.